Welcome to our quick guide on how to change your display picture on Gmail using your PC, especially after the recent updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. Now from this menu, select Manage your Google account. This will redirect you to a new tab, where you can customize different aspects of your account. In the new tab, locate and click on Personal Information. Here, you'll find all the personal details related to your account, including your display picture. Once you're in the Personal Information section, look for your current profile picture and click on it. This is where the fun begins. You'll see an option that says Change. Click on that, and you will be prompted to choose a new picture. You can either upload an image from your computer or select one from your Google Photos. After selecting your new picture, hit Next. A preview will show you how your new profile picture will look. Finally, click on Save as Profile Picture to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Gmail profile picture has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy emailing!